Tbilisi City Hall has begun a phased renovation of 12 metro stations, including the Guramishvili Metro station. Repair work is being carried out at night. Today, the Tbilisi Metro has 23 stations, which are located on two lines, Akhmeteli Theatre, Varketili, and the Saburtalo line. 21 stations are underground, and 2 are on the surface. The Guramishvili is a station on the Akhmeteli-Varketili line of the Tbilisi Metro. It opened on 16 November 1985. Until 1992, the station was called TEMKA in honor of the Tbilisi Electric Locomotive Plant. Later it was renamed in honor of the famous Georgian writer and poet David Guramishvili. There is one exit from the Guramishvili Metro station, in the southern direction of the city. Initially, the architects planned 2 exits for passengers. The Tbilisi Metro was put into operation on January 11, 1966 and became the 4th in the former USSR after Moscow, Leningrad and Kyiv. Welcome to Georgia.